Good morning, students. Though I am recording this video in the morning, hope you people are able to understand the previous topics about triangles. Today, as you are observing on the screen, we are going to discuss Pythagoras Theorem. What is the Pythagoras Theorem? Pythagoras, a renowned mathematician, found that in case of right angled triangle, if we try to find out the measurement of the base, suppose it's a height, it's a b. I am using the opposite words. Generally it's a, it is a b, but I am using the opposite word. So base a, height b, and this hypotenuse c. Always remember that side opposite, in case of right angle triangle, side opposite to right 90 degree is known as your hypotenuse. So if we try to find out the measurement of these three, then square of base plus square of your height is always equals to square of the hypotenuse. This conclusion, this is the observation, and this is known as your Pythagoras theorem, or laws of Pythagoras theorem. We are not going to discuss how to prove Pythagoras theorem. That is for your class 9 and 10 subject. But in class 8, you have to simply learn what is Pythagoras theorem and how we apply Pythagoras theorem to find out the measurement in case of right angle triangle. So I hope this thing is clear to you. This can be written as sum of base square plus altitude square is equals to hypotenuse square. The spelling is very long, so I am writing in short. It's a hypotenuse square. So this is the conclusion of Pythagoras theorem. Let's apply this on some questions and learn how we use Pythagoras theorem on various problems. As you are observing on the board that there is a figure. This is your flagpole. This is your flagpole where we have some flag, and this is a wire used to stable the pole up to this end and fix at this end. We know the length of the pole from here to here. It's a 17.5 meter, and base of the pole and base of the wire attached on the surface is 6 meter. This distance is 6 meter. We have to find out the length of this wire. So this is your x meter. We suppose this is x meter. So what this one looks like, this is a right angle triangle. We know the base, we know the height. We have to find out the hypotenuse. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we can write from Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square, we can write short, equals to base square plus altitude or height square. This is the measurement, no? And then we have to find out this one. Hypotenuse is your x. We place this x square. Base is your 6 square plus this is given. It's a 17.5 meter. 17.5 square. When we simplify, we have the value of x square only. Remember, this is the value of x square. So let's start. it's a 17.5. So we have to find out the square of 175. Let's try this side. Take 175. Multiply simply. If you multiply like a class 2 or 3 child, you can easily find out the result because you know all the tables. You never stuck anywhere. So 5 5 are 25, 2 carry 5 7 35 plus 2 7 37, 3 carry 5 1 5 3 8, 7 5 are 35, 3 carry 7 7 are 49, 52, 5 carry 7 1 is 7 plus 5 is 12. Now it's a 175. 5 2 8 to 10 17 1 7 to 9 1 10 2 1 3 307. But though there is a 17.5 means what? 17.5 17.5, there are 2 1 and 1, so we place over here 307.25. Clear? So this is the value of your x square. Add them. 6 7 13 3 1 carry 3 plus 1 4 and 3.25. This is the value of x square. It's a 343.25. So what is the value of x? For finding the value of x, we find out the square root of this 343.25. This one. As I told you, to finding the square root, we use the division method. This method is unique one and help us to find out the division square root of up to decimal number also. So write down rough side. It's a 343.25. Pair it from decimal. It's a left to right, then right to left. 1 1 ja 1. It's a 243. It must be 8. 8 8 is 64. 6 carry 8 2 is 16. 16 plus 6 22. It's near about 36. And it's a 13 4 19 cut. We place a decimal over here, so we can. It's a 5 5 5 is 25. 2 carry 5 is 30 32. 3 carry 5 3 is 15. 3 18. Wait, 5 5 is 25. 2 carry 5 6 is 30 30 plus 2 32. 3 carry 5 3 is 15 plus it's 18. So 1 0 0 cancels. It's a 370. Need not to move further. It's a 18.5 meter approx. 18.5 meter approx. This is your result. Though it's in decimal, you can write down. Now we move to the next question. Look at the figure given on the screen. Question says that if you walk at a speed of 8 meters per second, how much longer will take you to walk from A to B and then from B to C and then directly from A to C? Means you have the speed, you have to find out the time for traveling A to B, then from B to C and then also A to C. Question is easy, but first you have to find out the length of AC. So here you can write down by using Pythagoras Theorem. We can directly write down now AC square. Square of AC equals to square of AB. It's a base, and BC it's a height. Why I am using this one? Because this is right angle. We don't know AC, but we know AB. It's a 40. We know BC. It's a 30 meter. So ultimately what we have? 1600 plus 900, it's a 2500. So therefore AC equals to under root 2500, it's a 50 meter. So we just found out this is your 50 meter. Now question says that if speed equals to 8 meter per second, 8 meter per second, then you have to find out the distance. So we know distance equals to speed equals to distance upon time. So distance equals to speed, sorry, no, it's not distance, it's time. We have already distance, it's a time. So distance upon time, so time equals to distance upon speed. We use this one. Clear? We use this formula. So come to this side. So for AB, time equals to, we use this one, so distance is 40 meter, 40 upon 8, 5 second. Clear? Then for BC, time equals to 30 upon 8, it's 15 upon 4, or 4 3s are 12, .75 second. Or you can simply write down in whole, 4 3s are 12, 3 upon 4 second. Clear? Then for AC, time equals to 50 upon 8, that will divide, it's a 25 upon 4. So upon 2 upon 8 second, or you can write down 614 seconds, it means 6.25 second. So I hope this thing is clear to you. Move next question. Now see the figure given on your left hand side of your screen, this one. In this figure it says that there are two chimneys, so say AB and DC, or BA or DC, whatever you want to call. There are two chimneys. These chimneys are this one, it's a AB, clear, and then this one CD. There are two chimneys. Height of each chimney is given 13 meter and 18 meter. Distance between these two is 12 meter. So in this case we have to find out the distance between their top, means your side AD, this one. We have to find out the distance of this one. We can easily find out, but we have to clear the concept. If this is your 12 meter, it means what? CB, and this one is also 12 meter, because they are in straight form. If this complete length is 18 meter, so this EB is your 13 meter. So what is the length of this AE? It's 18 minus 13, 5 meter. So now we can easily find out the measurement of AD. It's a AD square by using Pythagoras theorem. I am not writing over there. By using Pythagoras theorem, AD square equals to AE square plus DE square. Clear? AE, it's a 5 meter square plus 12 meter square. It's a 25 plus 144. So AD equals to under root. What is this one? It's a 169. I missed the step. It's a 13 meter. This is your AD. So likewise, we can use Pythagoras theorem in our daily life. In this case, this is a practical problem. I have to discuss one more concept. There are some questions. It says that length of the each side given, and you have to check whether the triangle is a right angle triangle or acute angle triangle or obtuse angle triangle. So in that case, you have to find out the square of each side, means your base, your height and your hypotenuse. Then we use the following things. If a square, suppose we are saying that in case of triangle, suppose A, B, C. So measurement is the A, B and C. This is a triangle. And if A square plus B square equals to C square, then it is a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle. First thing. And if A square plus B square is greater than C square, this is your acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle, right angle triangle. This is for acute angle triangle. And next one is for obtuse angle triangle. A square plus B square is always less than C square. Bell is ringing. C square. Then we can say this is your obtuse angle triangle. So use these three conditions to solve such type of questions. Now, if in any question it is given that there is an equilateral triangle of side this, find out the height of the triangle. As we know that in case of equilateral triangle, I am going to rub this side. In case of equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, so you have to find out the height. And if all sides are equal, it means this and this also equal. Clear? So let's frame some question. In question is given that all length are 6 centimeter or 6 meter, whatever it is, 6. So what is the length of this one? It's a 3. We have to find out the height. So how we find this height? As usual, AB, suppose this is your D. So in triangle AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. What is AB square? It's a 6 square. What is AD? We don't know the AD square. Leave as it is. Plus BD, it's a 3 square. So therefore, AD square equals to 6 square, that is your 36, minus 3 square, that is 9, it's a 25. So what is your AD? AD is your 5. This is your 5 centimeter. Clear? Anything else? I think it's no. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. It's a 3 3 3 is 9. So that's all for this video. All of you try to complete exercise 17B based on today's concept. That's all for today. Thank you.